Do you ever feel like your brain is in a fog and you can't think clearly? Do you struggle to focus on your tasks and get easily distracted? Do you feel overwhelmed by stress and anxiety? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are not alone. Brain fog is something that many of us struggle with from time to time. You know that feeling of being mentally cloudy, forgetful, and unable to focus. It can be really frustrating and can interfere with your daily activities, whether it's work, school, or personal life. But what causes brain fog and how can you get rid of it? In this video, we're going to share with you some of the possible causes of brain fog and some strategies to treat it. So let's start with the possible causes of brain fog. First of all, brain fog is not a medical condition by itself, but rather a symptom of other factors or underlying issues. Some of the common causes of brain fog are: Number 1. Anemia. Anemia is a condition where you have a low number of red blood cells or hemoglobin in your blood. Hemoglobin is a protein that carries oxygen from your lungs to all parts of your body, including your brain. When you have anemia, your brain does not get enough oxygen, which can impair its function and cause brain fog. Anemia can be caused by various factors, such as iron deficiency, vitamin deficiency, or blood loss. Number 2. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes can very easily trigger brain fog, especially in women. During pregnancy, menopause, and the menstrual cycle, the levels of hormones like estrogen and progesterone fluctuate, which can affect the brain's neurotransmitters and blood flow. These changes can cause short-term cognitive impairment, such as difficulty remembering names, words, or details, trouble focusing or multitasking, and feeling foggy or sluggish. Hormonal changes can also affect your mood and energy levels, which can further impact your cognitive performance. Number 3. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep can cause brain fog, as it deprives your brain of the rest it needs to function optimally. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain has less time to process and store information, which can lead to memory lapses, poor attention, and reduced mental clarity. Lack of sleep can also affect your mood and emotional regulation, making you more irritable and prone to anxiety or depression. Number 4. Stress. Stress is one of the most common causes of brain fog. When you are under chronic stress, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline that can impair your memory, concentration, and mood. Stress can also disrupt your sleep quality, which is essential for your brain to consolidate information and repair itself. To reduce stress and its effects on your brain, you can try some relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, or listening to soothing music. Number 5. Chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, is a condition that causes extreme and persistent tiredness that doesn't go away with rest and interferes with your daily activities. It can also cause other symptoms, such as headaches, muscle and joint pain, mood swings, and sensitivity to light. But it is also known that chronic fatigue syndrome can cause problems with memory and thinking. So, patients with CFS may have trouble thinking quickly and clearly, remembering things, or focusing on small details. Number 5. Nutritional deficiencies. Your brain needs certain nutrients to function properly. One of the most important nutrients for your brain is vitamin B12, which is essential for the production of red blood cells, protecting your nerve cells, and producing neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that regulate your mood, memory, and cognition. Vitamin B12 deficiency can cause symptoms like fatigue, depression, memory loss, and brain fog. Other nutrients that are essential for your brain are omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that your body cannot make on its own. They play a vital role in your brain structure and function, as well as your cardiovascular health and inflammation levels. Omega-3 fatty acid deficiency can cause symptoms like dry skin, hair loss, joint pain, and brain fog. Finally, we have magnesium, which is a mineral that is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body. including those related to your brain function and energy production. A magnesium deficiency can cause symptoms like muscle cramps, headaches, insomnia, anxiety, and brain fog. Now, to prevent or correct nutritional deficiencies and their effects on your brain, you should try to eat a balanced diet that includes foods like fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. You can also take supplements if needed, but always consult your doctor before doing so. Number 6. Medications. Medications can also cause brain fog as a side effect or interaction. Some medications that can affect your cognitive function include antidepressants, antihistamines, painkillers, and sleeping pills. These medications can interfere with the activity of neurotransmitters or blood flow in your brain, which can impair your memory and brain function. If you notice brain fog while taking these medications, talk to your doctor about adjusting your dosage or switching to another drug that may suit you better. Chemotherapy drugs are also known to affect brain function and can cause symptoms like memory loss, difficulty concentrating, confusion, trouble finding words, and slower thinking. This is known as chemobrain, and it can last for months or even years after the treatment is over. Number 7. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a type of dementia that affects your memory, thinking, and behavior. It is caused by the buildup of abnormal protein deposits called amyloid plaques and tangles in your brain cells. These plaques and tangles interfere with the communication between neurons and cause them to die. As the disease progresses, it causes more severe cognitive impairment and brain fog. Number 8. Fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a disorder that affects your muscles and soft tissues. It causes chronic pain, tenderness, fatigue, and sleep problems. It can also affect your cognitive function and cause a type of brain fog called fibrofog. Fibrofog can make it hard for you to focus, remember things, or perform mental tasks. The exact cause of fibromyalgia is unknown, but it may be related to abnormal levels of certain chemicals in your brain or nervous system. As you can see, there are many possible causes of brain fog, and sometimes it can be hard to pinpoint the exact one. That's why it's important to see your doctor if you experience persistent or severe brain fog that interferes with your daily life. But here are some general tips that will improve your brain function. Number 1. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, yoga, exercise, hobbies, or talking to someone you trust. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can boost your blood flow, oxygen levels, mood, and energy. So, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Number 3. Stimulate your brain. Keep your mind active and engaged by learning new things, reading books, playing games, solving puzzles, or doing other cognitive tasks. Number 4. Improve your sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to keep your brain healthy and alert. And to improve your sleep quality and quantity, you can follow some good sleep hygiene practices like avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and screens before bed, sticking to a regular sleep schedule, and creating a comfortable and dark sleeping environment.